Welcome back, everybody. It's another box break with Card Crush 365. Today is February 15th, and we have another box of Topps Legacies of Baseball 2016. The last box I opened yesterday was really good, so hoping I get something similar out of this box. Today is actually my birthday, so this was a birthday gift. So in the background today, we have two Donruss 2002 Studio Kings. We have a Jersey King of Lou Gehrig, game used jersey, and that is number 225. On the other side, we have a Bat Kings of Babe Ruth Studio Series, game used bat. See if I can get that to focus a little better. There we go. And that is number 225 also. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this box break number 2 of 2016 Legacies of Baseball. Of course, I'm hoping to get that Ken Griffey Jr. auto. I'm a huge Griffey fan, and sadly to say, I actually do not have any Griffey autos. I have a ton of his rookie cards. I have a ton of game used jerseys. Just never came across a Griffey auto for the right price, but hopefully I get one soon. I would definitely love to pull one. So it's one pack in a box for this. I think these boxes are about around $100, somewhere around there. $100, $110, something. Sometimes you can get them for $90. Just depends on who you get them for. And there is 4 cards. There you go, 2 on-card autographs, 1 vault card, and 1 low number card. We pulled that Frank Thomas redemption yesterday out the same product, so let's see what we get today. This pack does feel a little heavy. Alright, so we have a Rod Carew, lasting imprints, number 299. Oh, there you go, 77 out of 99. So that's a really nice card. We have a Andres Galagorera on-card auto. That's a really beautiful signature right there. And that is numbered 199. 54 out of 199. Real nice auto there. Okay, and our metal card is Orlando Cepeda. So that is the metal vault card. And that is number 135. And I seen the last card. Looks like it's a Jose Canseco on card autograph. So that's a good hit there. Not a bad 2 boxes. We got the Frank Thomas yesterday. Today we get the Jose Canseco. So that is Jose Canseco, Tennessee, number 199. These cards, I really like these cards. See if I can get it to focus better for you. Oh, there we go. 135 out of 199. Jose Canseco on card auto. So that's another pretty good box, I must say. We got the Canseco, Andre Galagorera, Rod Carew, and Orlando Cepeda. So that is the second box break of 2016 Legacies of Baseball from Topps. See you soon. I will have some more videos up tonight, so see you in a little bit.